Hello guys, and welcome to this video today. Today I'm here to share an update with you on a particular platform where I make money in US dollars. I've withdrawn and I've tested the platform, and that's what prompted me to show it to you guys. Because before I give you updates like this, I make sure I do my own findings and know the authenticity of the platform. I've checked this platform and the platform is really doing well, and I've withdrawn my money into my wallet up to 4 times. I do my withdrawals every Friday and it's very fine. The job we do there is just a small task. Watch video of 15 seconds, like the video, and boom, you have your $1. So that's the platform. If you're interested in this platform, you can send a DM to me via my inbox, or you send me a message, a WhatsApp message, through the phone number that is showing on your screen. And when you do that, then I will reply you, then I will give you the full gist as it concerns this new platform. So thank you for watching this video till now. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please try and subscribe. If you have not followed our page, please try and follow, and also comment on the comment section. Also, you can share this to your friends that you think may want to get the updates too. I'll see you some other time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.